Welcome to MeeLearn-Chinese. Hey, it's Rose Lee. I'm hosting a Chinese conversational lesson. In this lesson, you will learn how to use才to express later than expected. You will also learn how to use 就 to express earlier than expected. First, let's listen to some conversations.
小青，你生病了吗？
没有，我好累，我昨天很晚才睡觉。
为什么？
打游戏。
你打到几点
？2点。你平常几点睡觉？
我9点半就睡觉了。
你爸爸妈妈让你打游戏吗？
星期一到星期五不能打，周末可以打1个小时。
今天作业不多，我可以早一点睡觉。
小青，你生病了吗？
没有，我好累，我昨天很晚才睡觉。
为什么？
打游戏。
你打到几点
？2点。你平常几点睡觉？
我9点半就睡觉了。
你爸爸妈妈让你打游戏吗？
星期一到星期五不能打，周末可以打1个小时。
今天作业不多，我可以早一点睡觉。累 tired or tiring. For example, 我好累 I'm so tired. 这个工作太累了 This job is too tiring. Using 才 to express that something happened later than expected. The sentence structure is like this. Subject plus time word plus 才 plus verb. For example, 我昨天很晚才睡觉。I went to bed very late yesterday. 他今天早上11点才起床。He didn't get up until 11 o'clock this morning. More examples. 你才做完作业 Have you just finished your homework? 你现在才吃饭 Are you just starting to eat now? Important note here. This sentence structure, subject plus time word plus 才 plus verb, doesn't really need a 了。Here are some common mistakes. 我昨天很晚才睡觉了。This sentence is wrong because you don't need that 了。他今天早上11点才起床了。Again, this is a wrong sentence because you don't need the 了。Now, let's have a summary of this word 才。We have learned this 才 as just. For example, 你上个星期才买了一条裤子。You just bought a pair of pants last week. 才 can also mean only. For example, 我做了8个小时才做了一半。I worked on it for 8 hours and only did half of it. The last one is what we learned today, which describes lateness. For example, 我昨天很晚才睡觉。I went to bed very late yesterday. 打游戏 literally hit or beat games. Play video games. For example, 我最喜欢打游戏。I like playing video games the most. 我妈妈不让我打游戏。My mom doesn't let me play video games. There are different usages of this word 打. Let's have a summary now. The first one is play as play ping pong, play basketball, or play tennis. For example, 打乒乓球 play ping pong. The second usage of 打 is to make a phone call. 打电话. The last one is what we learned today, play video games. 打游戏. Using 就 to express that something happened earlier than expected. The sentence structure is like this. Subject plus time word plus 就 plus verb. For example, 我9点半就睡觉了。I went to sleep as early as 9:30. 他昨天就来了。He came as early as yesterday. Note here that with a 就 in the sentence, if the action happened in the past, you do need that 了。More examples. 我6岁就会打乒乓球了。I can play table tennis at the age of 6. 我6点就起床了。I got up at 6 o'clock. 周末 weekends. For example, 你平常周末做什么？ What do you usually do on weekends? 我周末喜欢看电影。 I like watching movies on weekends. Now it's time for a story. That's it for today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye!